some measurements, cut-offs, and over here as well. But the biggest issue is that this the one that's flat to the ceiling, that area around the doors, has also a corner, a curve in the wood. And you can see even that with this thin plywood, very difficult to bend. So what I did, at least made an example of that, is make some curves in the wood, in the plywood. This is exactly the same. Several distances depending on the curve that I need. And then cut it through, almost through the top layer. So probably only the top layer of this plywood is left. So whenever I push it into that corner at the top, it tends to bend. What I did is I used a thin blade, about a 1/16 of an inch thick, that is part of my dado system, dado blades. So instead of the 1/8 of an inch, that is much wider. Okay, and this is the difficult part, and this is just fit, not the installation, but it wobbles at the ends, so I have to be very, very careful. It does become a lot easier to handle because of the corners. Now you can see with the example I made how you can get it into a certain form so that it fits. The secret is to keep it that way, and you do that just playing with wood glue. I filled some of the grooves with wood glue, packaged it with some paper as well as some plastic, and then put it into this form, in this corner, and let it dry. I have to connect both of these pieces together, and I'll do that just by putting some blocks on here and screw it together. So I glued in these blocks, clamp both pieces together, and now temporarily screwing them together. That's one. That's the way it's gonna fit. So when I got this cover done, I will add a filler, but that is a hidden storage box. And that should go in between here. So that closes up this back side, and I will be able to open this box, and you can use it for money or whatever. It's a so-called secret box. Not, at least not anymore. Okay, the inside of the box works like this. There's this little knob here, and inside the box is a sort of grabber that locks in that ball on the front. And this is the mechanism. the left part is all the way back in the box, and this one is at the front. You've got this little ball, and it presses against it, which locks it in, and another press opens it up. I already preset the screws here on the inside. Okay, so that's attached. Yep. So the first thing I'll do is screw these two boards together, and I'll just add a little bit of glue. Let me see what I can do. That's reasonably well. Okay. That's nice. That looks good. Okay, got it finished now. Also put this in. So this is next. And then I got my box here. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.